if you want to customize the home screen on Motorola Moto G56, here's what you can do. So the first thing that we can do is simply press and hold our finger on an empty space in order to find some customization options, such as themes. We can also switch to a different font, and at the bottom we have some other options as well, such as widgets, wallpapers, personalization options, and home settings. So we're gonna start with the home settings, because over here, if you go, for example, to the home screen tray, as you can see, we can get rid of the app drawer or app tray completely by switching to open. And each of these options also have additional settings where we can, for example, find suggestions and find the option that allows us to add new apps that we just installed immediately into the home screen automatically, pretty much. So you can turn this option off or on. Besides that, we have the icon size here, app label options, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out. You can also, for example, disable the Google feed page, the news page of Google that we have on the maximum left side. Now, besides that, we can, of course, add and remove apps in our home screen. So in order to add a new app, we can go to the app drawer. That is, of course, if you have the app drawer, press and hold your finger on the app that you wish to add to the home screen, and then just move it, start moving it in order to be redirected to the home screen, and then we can place it pretty much anywhere you wish it to have. Now, besides that, we can, of course, remove apps. In order to do so, just do the same thing, press and hold your finger, and then you can start dragging it around in order to find remove option over here at the top, and drop it here in order to remove the app. Besides that, we can create new pages, of course. In order to do so, you need to move an app or a widget all the way to this new empty page, and if there is at least one thing, one app or one widget or folder, of course, then the new page will be created, and in order to get rid of it, we have to do the opposite. So we need to get rid of everything from that page, unfortunately, manually. We can create folders. In order to do so, we can press and hold our finger again, and then just drop the app on top of the other app like this, and you can keep adding new apps into that folder like so. You can press and hold your finger in order to make the folder bigger. So let me quickly demonstrate. I'm just gonna move it. I just removed it by accident, sorry. Let's press big folder, and there we go. So this is how the big folder looks like. We can shrink it again to make it smaller, like so. If you go into the folder, we have the name field, so we can set up the name of our folder. So there we go. This is how it looks like. And of course, in order to get rid of the folder, in order to remove it, you can either just find it in these options, or you can manually remove every app from the folder like so. And if there is one app left, then the folder will be removed. And of course, widgets. We also have widgets. So once again, press and hold on an empty space in order to find widgets here. You should be able to see the list of apps that have some widgets. So if you want to add a widget, what you can do is go, let's say, I don't know, like Google, for example. And then over here, we have some example widgets. So let's say I'm going to add this one at a glance. Just press and hold it, for example, in order to drop it anywhere you wish it to be. Let's say I'm going to drop it here. In some cases, we also have customization options. So let's say I'm going to choose transparent in this case. We can also change the size of widgets. However, not in every case we can change the size, unfortunately. In some cases we can change the height, in some cases we can change the width, in some cases we can do both, and in some cases we can do neither. So just keep that in mind. And of course, if you want to remove the widget, you can just do the same thing as you do with apps. Just drop it over here on remove. And I believe that's pretty much it. These are essential tips and instructions of what you can do in the home screen in order to customize it on your Motorola Moto G56. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.